Good morning. My name is Ram Mohammed and I am the founder of Issulog. In this presentation, I would like to tell you a little bit more about Issulog and what it can do to facilitate your Microsoft Dynamics 365 implementation. So what is Issulog? It is a framework that can help you implement Dynamics 365 in a more robust, controlled, and safe manner. It consists of templates and predefined milestones within predefined subtasks at every level in order to capture the individual task checklists and the knowledge artifacts. It also knows the recommended roles assigned to each task. By organizing the discussion threads, you can manage the delivery of the task required. Hence, it can allow you to accelerate the implementation while minimizing errors. If you have already implemented Microsoft Dynamics 365 as a new implementation, Issulog can help you retrofit and enhance your system by enhancing specific modules that you have already implemented. This can be done bit by bit, and you can engage your teams when they become available. I find in most cases this can be really gradual, module by module, and cost effective, as piecemeal implementation can be added to your system. By being a tool showing your users a clear milestone and being a central repository of knowledge, Issulog takes away all the communications issues in your implementation. You can even do away with emails while keeping a clear audit trail of each task in each module you choose to implement. I also mentioned that Issulog contains all the knowledge you require for your task. Let us see how Issulog defines a task. First, it creates a task envelope called an issue task. Within that envelope, all the attributes that are required are defined. Then it holds the description of the task so that the users know what they are going to do to perform this task. It contains the schedules with start and end dates. Also, it gives you a shopping checklist to tell you step by step what needs doing to ensure that the tasks are completed correctly. It holds the necessary documentation to explain the task itself and how to complete it correctly according to the task in question. When you're performing the task, you will always have to discuss it with your colleagues. So it holds a discussion thread on specific topics that you choose to follow. As you can imagine, this can reduce long threads of multiple emails. These tasks are geared toward specific roles, and only the role assigned securely are allowed to participate in this task, giving clear ownership and also who the helpers will be in the task being completed. Just imagine a system telling you what the tasks are, when it is due to be delivered, what knowledge is required to perform it, and it engages the relevant users in your organization to come to the task to complete it. It is the opposite of running a chase. Now, you can see how this can minimize the need for endless web searches and provide focus to your team because you have a clear delivery that is at the end of this task. In a nutshell, Issulog is a tool where all the knowledge and activities are laid in one platform is also a multidisciplinary tool coordinating the tasks of the project manager, the architect, the consultant, and more importantly, the work of the end users. Basically, all the various expertise can collaborate on the respective tasks and ensure that the tasks on the checklist are completed. On average, an implementation project may have 4,000 plus steps in the checklist. Issulog set all the hierarchy of these tasks in your implementation and allow you to organize a very large number of predefined tasks, sequence them in the correct order, and schedule the tasks and allow them to be performed in the correct order of your plan. In this example, you may have an Issulog hierarchy of tasks with a dependent task followed by the next. Then this links into a series of self-contained tasks where Issulog comes in. It can provide clear indexing in the hierarchy of tasks by providing clear visibility of the steps on your roadmap. As a final reminder, it is important to remember Issulog does not replace any existing and established methodologies such as Step, Fast Track, Agile, and so on. It coexists and organizes the various stages. It works alongside implementation tools such as DevOps. As a matter of fact, one of the subtasks Issulog has in its milestone is a project workshop using DevOps to fast-track the capture of the user requirements. It works alongside Microsoft Project, and it works alongside project management tools such as Lifecycle Services to manage the Microsoft artifact, and it can link to existing tools such as SharePoint and Microsoft Teams.